Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to do DNS management in Webuzo. To add DNS record, log in to Webuzo with user account. Go to Domain section and click on DNS Zone Settings. The Advanced DNS Setting panel will open, displaying the DNS records for the user account. Click on Add Record button. The window will pop up where you can enter the details for the new DNS record. Here is a short summary of the fields you need to fill. Select domain. Select the domain to add the DNS record. Name. Enter the name of the record. TTL. Short for time to leave. Enter the time to keep the record activated. Type. Choose the type of record from CNAME or A or TXT record. Address. Specify the target of the DNS record, IP address, domain, etc. Enter the required details and click on Add Record. Webuzo will add the new DNS record to the list of existing DNS records. To edit DNS record, log in to Webuzo with user account. Go to Domain section and click on DNS Zone Settings. The Advanced DNS Setting panel will open, displaying the DNS records for the user account. Click on the pencil icon for a DNS record in the list to edit the record. Once you edit the content of the record, click on floppy icon to save the changes. Use the same method to edit any other DNS record of your Webuzo account. To delete DNS record, log in to Webuzo with user account. Go to Domain section and click on DNS Zone Settings. The Advanced DNS Setting panel will open, displaying the DNS records for the user account. Click on the trash can icon for the DNS record you want to delete. A warning window will pop up confirming if you want to delete the record. Click on Yes button. Webuzo will delete the DNS record from the list. That is how you do DNS management for your user account in Webuzo. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.